Been in the air so cold yet clear. Another year has passed by and I'm still here. Lonely heart, I'm standing in the night so still. Maybe cause I'm just a man, no special thrill. Ordinary guy with nothing much to say. Got no spark, no magic trick to show the way. But if love finds me, I swear I'll make her see all the warmth and freezing winds that we could be. Love like the warmth in the cold, cold wind, holding her close through thick and thin. By your side through joy and pain we'll thrive. In every storm our hearts will stay alive. Time's been harsh, it's torn my weathered heart. Seasons change but we won't fall apart. In the shadows I will be her guiding light. Stand by her through the darkest night. Whether skies are gray or shining through, through each moment my love will be true. Hand in hand in this winter's chill, feel my warmth and find your will. Love like the warmth in the cold, cold wind, holding her close through thick and thin. By your side for joy and pain we'll thrive. In every storm our hearts will stay alive. Love like the warmth in the cold, cold wind, holding her close through thick and thin. By your side through joy and pain we'll thrive. In every storm our hearts will stay alive. Time's been harsh, it's torn my weathered heart. Seasons change but we won't fall apart. In the shadows I will be her guiding light. Stand by her through the darkest night alive.